Christmas memories. I've been working so much.
Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 4 of Vlogmas. So today it is Monday and I'm going to the city because I'm going to run some errands. I'm going to a PR agency that I didn't manage to go to on Friday, and also I have to buy something, just small things that I need to buy in the city. And later today I have a dinner with a friend of mine, which is going to be very fun. And yeah, so today I have just showered, eaten and did my makeup and my hair. Today it is a sleek back bun hair day, and I think that's what I have done today so far. And today I'm wearing my Crystal Haze earrings and Tom Wood ear cuff. And makeup wise I have the MAC lipstick on, just my basic makeup routine. So here you can see the Christmas tree, and my filming lights is there because I don't have any space for them other than this space, but I plan to fix a space for them so they don't need to be displayed every day. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now I'm going into the city and let's go! So now I'm back from the city and I thought that I could do a haul for you guys. I have gotten some PR from Estee Lauder and I haven't unboxed it yet, so I thought that I should do it with you guys. So here is something very exciting from Estee Lauder, and it is the holiday kit with many different items. So let's unbox it. And here is the vanity case, and let's unbox everything here. Wow! And as you can see, it's a variety of Estee Lauder products. So this is a makeup remover and also cleansing gel, my night serum, and also a mini eye cream and day cream. I think these two are lipsticks and a lip liner, and I think these are liquid lipsticks. And also there is something in this pocket. I think it is a eyeshadow palette. It was actually two things. So the first thing is an eyeshadow palette. So here you can see that. Very beautiful. And lastly, a mascara. So that was the items that I got from Estee Lauder, and thank you Estee Lauder for the vanity case. I really appreciate it. And now I'm heading out for a dinner with a friend of mine, and now I will go and fresh up a little bit and maybe change clothes before I'm heading out again. And yeah. So now I'm back home again and we went grocery shopping after I got home from dinner. Sorry for the noise, my boyfriend is packing out all our groceries, so therefore it is a little bit noise. I had a very good day, even though it was very hectic because I have barely been home here. But other than that, a very nice day, and I feel that my Christmas spirit is starting to get better. This weekend I'm going to cook Christmas food for some of my friends, so we are going to have an evening here, and I think after that my Christmas spirit is going to be even better. And now the clock is around 9 and I think I should start editing this vlog so it goes live this evening. I also forgot to show you guys what I got from my boyfriend in my advent calendar. So I got this one today. It is from Givenchy and it is the fresh cleansing milk. I haven't tried it. I'm very excited to try it. Maybe I will try today because I have done my makeup today. But yeah, that was my day, and tomorrow I don't have that much planned, so therefore I think I will have a little bit more time to sit down and talk with you guys. I will probably answer some questions that I have gotten from you guys, or talk a little bit about skincare because I have gotten some questions about that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas episode, and I hope that you have a little bit of Christmas spirit. Let me know in the comments if you have or if you don't have. I am very curious to hear about how are you feeling. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.